This is the Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K. It is the 4K HDR version, so if you have a 4K TV, you can take advantage of that. It has an HDMI connection. You get the Fire TV Stick 4K, the Amazon Voice Remote 2nd Gen, 2 AAA batteries, a power adapter, USB cable, and HDMI extender cable. You do need high-speed internet with Wi-Fi and an HDTV or 4K HDTV with an HDMI input. So it will work with regular HD TVs. It doesn't have to be 4K. So you can do a lot of things with this. Use the Alexa remote to use voice control. And here you have some of the other features of it, including the high dynamic range, Dolby Vision and Atmos, quad-core processor, and Wi-Fi 802.11ac. So let's go ahead and unbox this. It's like a little pull tab here. Very easy. Pull that out. Then another pull tab here. And this comes out like that. So you have the Fire TV Stick. Where is it? It's one of these at the bottom. Take it out of the wrapper. It's the Amazon logo there. You can see the MicroUSB power connector. It says HDMI at the end. Some text there. Nothing on that side of it. And it is a full-size HDMI connector at the end there. Okay. Let's see what else we get. We also have this HDMI cable. It's a really short, full-size cable, so you can plug this end into your TV, and then the female end here, I think you would put this inside there, and that way you can plug this end in, and then you have some flexibility here. This will just hang out the back of your TV. And then you can connect the micro USB connector there for power. Speaking of power, you also have this Amazon power adapter. The USB-A style connector there. It is 5 watts. That's all it needs. There are some batteries here. Couple of AAA Amazon Basics batteries. And those are probably for the remote, the Alexa remote. Let's take this out. There are instructions there for how to open the battery cover. Okay. Let's also peel off this part here, this protective film. Okay. So there is the Alexa remote. The Alexa microphone button. This is a directional pad. Center button can click. Back, home, menu, rewind, play, pause, fast forward, volume up, down, mute. And to open this, it's a little dimple there, and I think we'll just slide that across. And then the batteries go in that way, so put that in first, Slide this in there. And we'll take the cover, slide that back on. There you go. There's the remote. We also get this micro USB cable. There are the connectors. This is USB-A. This goes into the power adapter. That's the micro USB. So take the power adapter here, plug that in like that. Plug this into an outlet, and then the micro USB end would go into this power port here. Plug that right in there. And this would go in the back of your TV. All right. So besides that, we also have some documentation here. This is talking about the remote, how to use the remote, some sample commands that you can give Alexa and what it can do. And the Fire TV Stick 4K, talking about how to connect it to your TV. And also how to use the remote. Oops, there's another fold here. So tips and troubleshooting. And also how to get the most out of Fire TV Stick 4K. Here you have some of the specs as far as the remote. So it's the 2nd gen, the model number, 3-volt, 2 AA batteries, operating temperature, and so forth. Well, that's it. That is the Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K unboxed.